In this video, we will learn how to install the Shopify app in Gadget.dev. Gadget is an infra-less development and a hosting platform for building full-stack apps. They provide a pre-stitched stack for the data, backend logic, API, front-end development, and hosting, so you can focus on the code that is unique to your app. So you can build different kind of apps like web apps, Shopify apps, BigCommerce apps, and ChatGPT apps. We will work on Shopify app. So click on the Shopify. So these are different 6 steps to create the app in Shopify Gadget. So first step, create the app in the Gadget. Click on this create.new, and it will take you where you can create the app in Gadget.dev. So you have 4 options: Shopify, ChatGPT, BigCommerce, and web. So we are building the Shopify app. So there are 2 types: custom app and public app. Public app to sell on Shopify App Store. Custom is for the specific client. So we will be building only custom app over here. And what are you building? You can name it, that is optional. Click on continue. Over here it will ask you the name of the app. So my first app in Gadget. This is already taken. Gadget, Shopify Gadget app, Gadget, Shopify Gadget app. So this name is available. So you have a option for the front end. There are 2 options: React Router version 7 framework mode, React Router version 7 declarative mode. We will select the framework mode, and similarly we have language option, TypeScript and JavaScript. So we will use the TypeScript and click on confirm. Once you create the app in Gadget, next thing you need to do, you need to connect this app with your Shopify partner. So you can connect via AI or choose a different method. If you have credits, you can connect with the AI. Otherwise, choose a different method. I will choose a different method, and I am logged in with my Shopify CLI account, which is fiaz@gmail.com. You can connect your Shopify partner and CLI account with here. Very simple steps. Just click on this and sign in with your Shopify partner account. Next, click on continue, and it will fetch all the organization which you have in your Shopify partner account. I will select the correct one and then click on the continue. So here it is creating the app in your Shopify partner account. So you can name it whatever you want. And if you check this box, it will create 2 apps in your Shopify partner account. One for the production, one for the development. So we only need the development environment for the moment. So I will click on continue. Over here you can select multiple scopes. So in our case, we will be selecting only products. So if you click read and write on products, you will see you have read and write permission of the products. And if you want a data model, you can click on the product. It will give you the data model of Shopify product as well. So click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, it will start creating the app in your Shopify partner account. Now the app is created. Now select the development store to install your app. You will see all the store you have there, and you can install the app in your Shopify dev store. So I selected my Shopify development store. It will take some time to install. Meanwhile, I can confirm what steps I have done. We have created the Gadget app, we authenticated with Shopify, we created the Shopify application, and we have selected the scopes and the models. Now we are installing the app in our Shopify store. So last step is optional to sync the Shopify store data. So these are the simple 6 steps which you can follow to create the app in gadget.dev. Okay, our app is almost ready to install. Okay, now it is asking for the permission. I'm okay with that and install the app. Now our app is installed, and you can see this is the front page of our app. So if you would like to change the code of this page, you can simply go back to the gadget and click on the files. You can see we have different files. For the API, in the API folder we have model, actions, and we have a web folder. This is the front end folder where we have component and routes. And if you click on the routes and _app_index.tsx, this is the page from where this data is coming. So if you would like to make changes over here, edit this page directly, and for example I write my name as Ahmed, Shopify developer, and these changes will reflect automatically over here. Shopify, because we have written the long test, that's why it is showing less. Let's remove this and it will be auto saved, and you can see as I'm a Shopify developer over here. And you can create as many routes as you needed over here, and these changes will reflect in the app. Okay, so next we have two new tutorial: automatic product tag forward data to the existing services. We will see that in the next video, but this is how you can create the Shopify app in gadget.dev. Very easy and very fast as well. You can control the data, and if you can see we have different session, product, Shopify product data. Right now these tables are empty because we have not synced the data of our store. If you go to the install and sync the recent data, what it will do, it will fetch all the products from your store and add them into the model over here in the data. So if I go the data again, once again, you can see all the products are fetched over here, and I can see these products in the gadget.dev as well. So if you make any changes in the Shopify store, in the products, these changes will automatically be applied in the gadget database as well. So it is synced with each other. We have subscribed the webhooks. You can check the log. We have subscribed the webhook, and these are, they have created the code in our database. Sync for the shop completed, then it is created the code. So very easy to follow, very powerful tool to creating the Shopify apps. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.